The 6 components ARMA recommends for a residential property with a steep slope roof are an ice and water barrier product, an underlayment, a shingle starter product, asphalt shingles, hip and ridge shingles, and ventilation, both for intake and exhaust. Each component serves a primary function. Ice and water barrier products protect the vulnerable areas of your roof, where water has a tendency to flow, like at the valleys, around chimneys, or at other roof penetrations. Additionally, when used at the eaves, ice and water barrier can help guard against water infiltration caused by water backup from ice dams. Underlayment provides an additional layer of protection between the wood deck and the shingles and acts as a secondary water barrier. Starter strip products are the first step in the proper installation of shingles and provide the first row of sealant needed to help prevent against blow-off and water penetration at the eave. Your shingles and hip and ridge products create the look, the one that differentiates your home from others on the block and creates extraordinary curb appeal. Today, asphalt roofing systems provide more colors and styles to choose from than many other roofing materials currently available on the market. Having a balanced ventilation system allows heat and moisture to escape from the attic. A balanced system helps keep the attic temperature closer to the outside temperature. This helps eliminate problems like ice damming and premature shingle deterioration. Lastly, to obtain the best aesthetic, use a specific hip and ridge product designed to go with the shingles of choice. For more information about various asphalt roofing systems, talk to your installer or visit the ARMA website at www.asphaltroofing.org